Hello, and welcome to part 1 of our 5-part series on bar design. In this tutorial series, you'll be learning about the key fundamentals of bar design to assist you in creating an efficient bar that's ergonomically designed. In this, our first video, we'll be laying out our bar walls and starting our project by selecting our beer systems. In your upcoming tutorial videos, we'll be adding cocktail stations, underbar stainless steel products, bar sinks, glass washers, and bar refrigeration to our project. There are many ways to configure or design a restaurant bar. Just ask any bar owner or bartender and you'll get any number of opinions on the best way to design a restaurant bar. Unfortunately, many of the opinions are based on individual preferences, which doesn't always align with the overall goal of ergonomic design and workplace efficiency. Let's begin. The name of our project we'll be working on today is Mid-City Bar and Grill. Our customer has leased a large space in a downtown area that has a maximum occupancy load of 148. Based on the equipment requested by our customer and the field measurements, we've elected to create an island-style bar that's 12 foot deep by 24 foot long. Our customer has supplied us with an equipment list he would like to have incorporated into the design. It includes a small beer bottle box, 12 faucet long draw beer system, glass washer, glass door merchandiser, and a frozen drink machine. Let's get started by going to the design center and laying out our bar wall and top. To do this, we select the bar top automated tool in the top menu panel. Next, position the cursor in the workspace below and start the wall by left-clicking the mouse and moving the cursor upward, left-clicking again to end the function when you've reached the desired length. This process is repeated until the bar layout is completed. To add the bar top, simply select the Enter tab on your keyboard. To edit the bar wall at any time during the design, you can select the Edit tab in the top menu to change or modify the dimensions. Next, let's add a back bar to our project. To add a back bar, simply select the Back Bar tool in the top menu panel. Back bars can be edited simply by clicking the back bar shape. And finally, we'll add a center island to our project. When adding center islands, be sure to turn the Snap to Grid function off. This will allow you to freely move the island shape in any direction for positioning. Now that we have our bar walls laid out, let's start our project by adding our beer system. There are 3 types of beer systems available today. They include direct draw draft beer boxes, long draw glycol beer systems, and beer walls. Our customer has reviewed the options and has selected a 12 faucet long draw glycol system for his bar. Locating the beer system early in the design is essential due to the space requirements for both draft boxes and multiple tap long draw systems. Careful thought and consideration also needs to be made to position the system in a central location where bar staff members can access the beer taps without interrupting the movement or flow of others working behind the bar. So in this design, there are several options for locating our beer system. One possible location would be to either side of the bar. However, this would create efficiency and access issues. Another option would be centering the beer taps along the front wall. However, our customer has allocated this space for a beer box for serving domestic bottled beer products. If our customer would have selected a draft beer box for this location, we would have offset issues, since the depth of a draft box is 27 inches deep compared to the 21-inch deep stainless steel underbar equipment. This 6-inch offset can create inconsistent bar aisle widths and can obstruct the movement of bar staff. Whereas if we were to locate the beer taps in the center island, we would free up valuable space along the front line and create consistent bar aisles. Another reason for locating the beer system in the center island is the countertop storage it provides for products such as pint glasses and beer mugs. So for this project, the center island is the best location for our beer tower and taps. In order to center the beer tower in our counter, we'll need to turn the Snap to Grid off so it can be moved without snapping to the grid. This concludes part 1 of our tutorial series of bar design. Select part 2 titled Cocktail Stations. Thanks for watching.